Hi everyone, today I will show you how to customize Shopify product pages in 2026. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along, so with that, let's get started. First, let us make your product pages look more trustworthy. On your dashboard, look at the left menu and click on Online Store. Then click Edit Theme on your active theme. Look at the very top of your screen and click the Page drop-down menu. Select Products, and then click Default Product. Now look at the left sidebar layout. The product page is broken down into sections and blocks. You can completely rearrange these by clicking and dragging the 6 dots next to them. Let us clean up the layout. Hover over any block you do not need, like the vendor text or stock counter. Click the trash icon to remove it. Next, let us add some rich visual content. The block you choose should always depend on the specific product you sell. This helps highlight its unique selling points. Look under the Details section in your sidebar and click Add Block. From the menu, select Icon. Click on your new icon block and look at the right sidebar settings. For example, since we are customizing a candle store right now, we can change the icon dropdown to leaf. Using a leaf icon is a great way to visually cue your customers that your product is natural and eco-friendly. This breaks up the text and makes your page look incredibly premium. Once you are done, click Save to publish your beautiful new design. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to customize Shopify product pages in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.